Hello there, boys and girls, moms and dads. We're back at the base camp. We're going to go look at this humidifier we added. Oh, got a couple inches of water inside it. Humidity's down to 63. I guess you can see that. 63%. Highest was 84%. Lowest was 52. This thing's just sitting inside the driveway right now. It's been plugged up for months, I guess. And that air conditioner's always going. And I really think it had pretty high humidity. On the average, it's still kind of high. I mean, 64 isn't really that great, but on the average, it was staying in the 70s. Well, since I put that in a day ago, we got a couple inches of water, and the humidity is in the 60s. So, although that's still high, I think it is doing what it's supposed to do. That's just a little Eva-Dry. Got it off of Amazon. They run about $50. So I guess this is a 14-footer. I guess if you got anything bigger, you need a couple of them. They're not very big. That's the size of them next to a drink bottle, but I think it's going to work inside here at least. Time will tell. I hope it works. Gotta get rid of some of this humidity inside here. Open up some vents and turn on some fans probably helps too. And I do keep it closed off most of the time. That's probably an issue that I need to address. Open it up more often. Get a little air circulating inside here. Anyway, that's all I wanted to talk about. Until next time, y'all take care.